back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome, guys. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you for always clicking on my video to watch. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Okay, and shout out to all my amazing members and subscribers. Okay, guys, so today we have a Sainsbury's shopping haul for you guys. You guys won't believe how much this haul I'm about to show you guys cost me. It's not a huge haul, but let's dive right into it. Smash the like button. Okay, guys, so that's practically everything. This is everything in this haul. I can't even say if it's a mini haul, if it's a medium haul, guys, but everything in this haul, guys, cost me a whopping £92.09. That's everything you see on the table here. Cost me £92.09. Okay, guys, that's why I say Sainsbury's is for wealthy people. I'm just joking. Okay, yeah, guys, so let's dive right in. That's my receipt here. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice. I'll be so pleased the day the camera will focus on something that I'm showing it. It's not focusing, but that's Sainsbury's. Let's put it down there, maybe it will focus. Yeah, guys, Sainsbury's. Okay, you guys have seen it. Okay, so I'm going to start telling you guys the price from the top of the receipts. Okay, guys, yeah, so that I can be able to tell you guys the accurate prices for everything. So the first thing we have on this haul on top of the receipt is the crunchy peanut butter. I do like crunchy peanut butter. Strangely, I eat it just like this without putting anything, sometimes on a bread, but most of the time just like this. Okay, so that's it, crunchy peanut butter, and it cost me £2.40. so the next thing is the green machine. I really used to like this drink, but I only buy it when it's on sale, and it's on sale right now. One is £2, so I bought two. It's very nice, guys. You can try it from Sainsbury's. You can find it also in Asda and Tesco. Okay, those are the places you can find it. Also in Morrison's. Yeah, I have not found it in any other shop apart from Sainsbury's, Morrison, Asda, Tesco. That's where I found it. Okay, it's £2 for one, so I bought two. And then we have our not Sainsbury's peanut, salted peanuts. Okay, it's the nut is £2. I bought just one. Next on the list is the bar of bathing soap, palm olive soap, £1.20. I just got just this. It got 1, 2, 3 inside of it. Okay, I got just one of it. The next one is the Colgate toothpaste, so you guys can see it over there. Okay, there's 3 in a pack, so I bought 2 pack. There's 3 in a pack. I bought 2 pack of it. Okay, there, I got 2. So one is £3, one is £3, so I bought 2. And then the next one is the Dove. This is what I use, but I decided to also try the palm olive. So the Dove is 6 inside. It's £2.50 for this whole 6. Okay, it's £2.50 for the Dove. And the next that I bought is the sleep bath soak, £1.20 each. It's over here. I bought 2 type. Okay, sleep therapy, this one, and then the other one as well, Mozo therapy. Okay, I bought 2, £1.20 each. The next thing I bought is my sensitive toothpaste. Sometimes I remember to buy it, sometimes I forget. Whenever I remember, I quickly just pick it. So the toothpaste is £3. They are doing sales on it. This toothpaste is quite expensive, but if you have a sensitive teeth, it's quite good. Okay, so I bought only one, is £3. Okay, and also I got Nivea Man Shower. Nivea Man Shower is over here. I bought 2 type of the Nivea Man Shower. I got the spot one and the normal sensitive one. So that's the spot one, and this one is the sensitive one. I hope the camera is seeing it very well. Yeah, guys, so one of them is £1.50 each. Okay, and then also I got my hair shampoo, Aussie. This is the hair shampoo I used. In case you've ever wondered what I use for my hair, to wash my hair, I use this. This is the big one, £5.50. And then the condition, they are doing sales, I think, on the condition, which is £3. This is the condition. Okay, so that's what I use, shampoo condition for my hair, because my hair is natural and I want it to grow strong and very well. Okay, so the shampoo is £5.50 and the conditioner is £3. Okay, so I bought a whole chicken. I was hungry and I said to myself, when I get home, I'll just make some vegetables and chicken. So I got a whole chicken in this bag. It's cooked already. It's a whole chicken. I don't think the camera is even seeing it. It's doing its own thing. So it's a whole chicken. The whole chicken is £5.50. Okay, and then I bought this, my peas and corn mix. I used to buy it a lot in those days when I used to go to Sainsbury's a lot. They also sell something similar like this in Tesco's. Okay, yeah, so I bought 2 of them. In fact, that were the only 2 left there. They are £1.80 each. So it's what do you call it now? Peas, broccoli, carrot and sweet corn. That's what is in there. £1.80 for each. And then I also got some Men's Expert Carbon. Is I think it's a deodorant. Yes, deodorant spray for my son. This one here, my first time of buying it. It's L'Oreal Men's. Yeah, it smells really nice, guys, and it's big. There you have it. It's pretty big, very nice. It's £2.25p. Yeah, £2.25p. It's extra large, as they say. It's quite big actually. The camera might not be showing it properly, but it's big. And then also I bought this body mist for my daughter Precious. The body mist is also £3. This one here, £2.25. The body mist, which smells really nice as well, is £3. Okay, so the next on the list here is our golden syrup, which is in the middle of the table here. So the golden syrup is £1.50. Golden syrup, £1.50. Okay, I bought just one of that. And then we have the Bed's custard. Bed's custard. Okay, the Bed's custard is £1.55. And then I have my rosemary, because I don't have any more rosemary. Rosemary is a seasoning. Okay, I know it's the name of spice, but it's also a seasoning or a spice or whatever you call it. Rosemary. Let's move the camera if it will show very well. There, rosemary. I bought 2 of it. Okay, so one is 90p for one. I bought 2, and I also bought some sesame seed. It's also 90p. And then I also bought aromat. It's £1. Okay, yeah, guys. So the next thing here is the jam. Okay, where's the jam? Oh, it's right here. So I bought some strawberry jam, which are 30p each. 30p each. Strawberry jam. There's 2 of them. Okay, they are 30p each. Okay, and then the next thing we buy is I bought my yogurt, which I haven't bought for a while. That's the one I've seen there, April. It's £1.75. It's vanilla flavor I bought. And then we got some Doritos. Okay, before we go to the Doritos, let me show you guys the onion. I bought some brown onion as well. I bought 2 of the brown onion. The onions are 65p each. Okay, and then the Doritos, I got the big one and then the one that have 5 inside. So the big one is £1.50, and the one that has 5 inside, I think it's £1.90 something. I'll find the price in a minute. £1.95. So this is £1.50 on sale. This is £1.95. There's 5 inside. Okay, and also the next thing on our list here is spring onion. I bought some spring onion. The spring onion is 49p. Let me show you guys somewhere here. Yeah, spring onions over there, 49p. Okay, for the spring onion. And then we have some bagels. The bagel is £1.25. It's right there. Okay, and then we have called, what is that? There's something. Oh yes, my trouser. I was beginning to wonder what is 18 pounds. Yeah guys, so I bought a trouser for myself. I was like, what did I buy that is 18 pounds? Okay, so I bought this called trouser for work. Okay, because my work, if you don't want to wear if you want to wear the uniform, I meant to say, it's black trouser. Okay, the top, you can wear black on the top, or you wear the uniform on top. Okay, the uniform is it's like a t-shirt or a blouse or a shirt, something like that. But we are not allowed to show our uniform. That's why you guys normally tend to see me in black sometimes, like the few videos I've posted about going to work. Okay, you're allowed to wear black, any kind of black, but you're not allowed to wear the uniform to go out or wear the uniform to do any video or anything like that. But it's black trousers, so I have different type of black trousers that I normally use. Okay, so I bought this one from Sainsbury's. They have very nice clothing in Sainsbury's. I like their clothing. I feel their clothing price is reasonable compared to their food. I feel the clothing is more cheaper compared to the food. I don't know why. But I bought a trouser for myself called trouser to wear to work. Probably wear to anywhere as well. It's 18 pounds. Okay guys. Yeah, so that is a trouser. What else? So we have the bread, the brioche roll bread. This bread here is £1.25. Yeah, £1.25. Sometimes the camera is just zooming in and blurring out. So £1.25. Okay, for that. Then we have our classic 14 inches classic pizza, which is this here. It's £4.50. Then we have plantain chips. They are doing sales on the plantain chips for 80p. I bought 3. I've ate 1. You guys know I like plantain chips. They've bought all the other flavors out. It's just the sweet chili that is left. So I bought 3 sweet chili and I've ate 1 already. Okay, and then the last but not the least is the cucumber. Yes guys, the cucumber, oh my god, the cucumber is £1. Oh, it's organic cucumber. I didn't realize that. It's £1. I just picked it without looking. So anyway, it's written organic something, the receipt here. I don't know if it's organic. Maybe it is. I don't know. Anyway, that is a cucumber. It's £1. Okay guys, I don't think I've forgotten anything. I think that's all. It's not a huge shopping, but it's expensive shopping. So everything here cost me £92 and 9p, just like what I've told you guys before. Yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy watching this my small but big price Sainsbury's haul. Please do give it a thumbs up, share it if you've watched up to this part. Give it a thumbs up, share it, smash the like button. Okay guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.